Well, noon at 11, two men were arrested on drug and gun charges after a traffic stop took place yesterday in Evansville. Police say they pulled over Noah Pryor on Washington Avenue. Officers say Pryor and his passenger Caleb Collins both admitted to having drugs and guns inside their car. Well, during a search, police say they found marijuana, meth, prescription drugs, and 3 guns. Well, both men are being held in the Vanderburgh County Jail without bond, and they're facing numerous drug and gun related charges.